Hi ladies, are you tired of a life of living a paycheck life that is from one month to the other? Are you tired of sacrificing your precious time with family and friends for a salary that barely covers your bills? Well, I have some exciting news for you as a woman. You deserve financial freedom seriously, and I'm here to show you how to achieve it through the power of passive income. Here everybody, welcome back to Immaculate Show. This is Christine on Immaculate Show, the lady that says we chase poverty with our gadgets. Today, I want to talk about something that I believe is very essential for women's financial empowerment. Passive income. As a woman, we often take on multiple roles. We are caregivers, we are professionals, we are entrepreneurs, we are wives, we are mothers. But with so many responsibilities, it can be challenging to make ends meet, let alone to build this highly wanted wealth. That's where passive income comes in. But before I tell you about passive income, there are some statistics. There's statistics I got recently, and I think it is going to shock you of what a woman is. Global women population statistics show that worldwide, the population of women is approximately 3.9 billion women. That one contributes to 49.6% of global population. And when we go to check, we see that women make up to 40% of global workforce. But on the other hand, they are very underrepresented as far as leadership is concerned. And this one brings women to be more dependent, and it has brought associated problems when a woman is not empowered. Did you know that with passive income statistics, only 22% of women worldwide have saving accounts? Can you imagine that? And 15% of women, they invest in things like stocks, bonds, real assets, and they can get something small for generating passive income. Imagine 15% out of 49.9% of the global population. Women are more likely to invest in risk-taking assets. But think about it. What are the challenges that are making ladies to be always financially unstable? We have different challenges like lack of financial education. Women always receive little education about it, but in this era, a woman is supposed to be on top of the game. Then they have also a challenge of limited access to credit, and they have a responsibility of caregiving, which is it's traditional in fact. So this one makes them be more of housewives, even if they're working class ladies. Now, having shown you those statistics, I would love to take you direct and show you exactly how can a woman achieve what we call financial or passive income. Do you think is it possible for a woman to achieve financial income? Yes, it is possible. So why do you think I want you women to achieve passive income? Passive income is essential, very essential for women. Passive income is earnings that require little or no effort to maintain. It's like having your money work for you instead of you working for money. And as women, we need passive income more than ever before. We needed to break free from the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. We needed to pursue our passions and interests without worrying about money. And we need also to build wealth and secure our financial futures for our kids, for our husbands, and for our parents. Guys, it's very good for ladies to really have passive income, but how can they do it? What do you think they can do it? I sat down and I saw the ladies that have broken financial free. One, they have monetized their presence on social media platforms, and especially these two platforms, YouTube and Facebook. Others on TikTok, but when you go to ask, they still use TikTok in a hard way. Either they are waiting for gifts or they are selling products. But if you want to get passive income, that even if you don't put any energy, you can do work, go to YouTube and Facebook. Monetizing your presence on YouTube and Facebook is so good. So how can you start generating passive income here? One way is by monetizing your presence on social media platforms like these two. If you have a large following, you can earn money from ads, sponsorship, and even you can go ahead and do affiliate marketing. For example, on YouTube, you can earn money from AdSense, which pays you for every 1,000 views. Every 1,000 views. That doesn't mean that less than 1,000 you'll not earn, but you will earn even with one view, only that the calculation is per 1,000. On Facebook, you can earn from Facebook ads, which allows you to monetize your content and earn money from sponsorship. Then we go to the second one, whereby women should really break through. It is affiliate marketing. You woman, you're just a caregiver at home. What stops you from joining an affiliate marketing program? We have programs like on Amazon. This one is another way of passive income. It is through this affiliate marketing, and affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product or services and earn a commission on any sales generated through your unique referral link. How do you do it? I want you to go and look for Amazon. This is what I would recommend right now. If you go to Amazon Associate. If you are an associate program, sign up. The moment you follow the prompts and sign up well, the moment you sign up, you're going to get your link, your ID, your personal ID as an associate, and that would be the beginning of your financial freedom. However, it's not just to sign up. You have to continue and do the work for the meantime. Then later, as you sleep, money will be coming up. For example, if you have a blog or YouTube like what I have, YouTube channel focused on beauty products, you can partner with beauty company to promote their products. You can even earn commission on any sale generated through your unique referral link. You can run also to another one and do drop shipping. Ladies, you don't need money to start drop shipping. For you to start a shop, you need zero money. What you need is this. But before that, let me tell you, drop shipping is another popular way to generate passive income. This is where you sell products without holding any inventory. You just partner with a supplier to ship products directly to customers, and you earn commission on each sale. And on top of this, you are not going to have a struggle for packing, struggle for delivery, struggle for any inventory, nothing at all. For example, if you have an online store focused on home decor products, you can partner with a supplier to ship products directly to customer, and you earn a commission on each sale. Now you guys, I know you're out there, you say, how do I get a store? How do I get a store? And I partner with these people. What you do, I want you to drop a comment in the comment section if you know you don't know how to make a store. You can make a store very free of charge. There are very many platforms that you can use. Drop it in the comment section. If you don't know, then I'll do a tutorial, a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a store of your own. Now that I've told you all this, guys, passive income is essential for women to be empowered financially. By monetizing your presence on social media platforms like YouTube and Facebook, affiliate marketing and drop shipping, you can generate passive income and achieve financial freedom. Remember, financial freedom is with you, within your reach. It's around you. It's within you. It's within your accommodation. It's within your friends and what you do. What I need you to do, it is start with taking control over your finances and build multiple streams of income. Now, do you know, I'm very grateful that right now as you're watching this video, I'm doing passive income. This video can make me earn from today up to infinity. There is no day that it will not give me money, provided it is green content. You guys, have you really already liked this video? Have you subscribed? As you've reached on this 9th minute, you should have already at least shared it to your friends. This channel is very essential, especially for money tips, for financial freedom. Please don't fail to subscribe or to like. And for you, if you want to be an entrepreneur, you're much welcome. And if you're interested in learning and knowing many more about passive income, this is the time for you to really follow our masterclass classes or pay membership subscription, and we start off. I'll give you 50%, not you, but every person this year, you are getting 50% because you have to be financially free. Please check out my line as in far as email on our bio. You can also send me an email, or you can send me a message on WhatsApp, on Facebook.